Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 75, also Mashaf Usmani, and that is ayah number 187 of Al Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذ أخذ الله ميثاق الذين أوتوا الكتاب لتبيننه. So for wow, circle your lips, fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. It's very sharp. The sound is E. For kasra, the sound is E, and attached dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow. Id, wa id, and that is sound, not a breath. So make sure you are bringing out the sound. Wa id, hamza is very sharp. Kha is heavy. Kha, dallahu, dal is light. Lafz jalala is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. As soon you will touch lam, that should be heavy, and by default Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is 2 counts long. The law who, for the circle your lips, the sound is short. Me, 2 counts long. The, 2 counts long. Qal, qaf is heavy but lam is light. Qal, la, there's the tawassut on lam when you're attaching qaf with lam. Qal, this qal, la, but fatha is very short. The, 2 counts long. Na, short. Hamza is very sharp, and make it 2 counts long. Circle your lips for dhamma. Tul, this is not any more long because this ta is attached with lam, and lam will get sifa of tawasut. Tul, ki, for kaf, kaf is light. For kasra, give e sound. Ta, very sharp sound, and make it 2 counts long. Ba, short. La, short. 2 for dhamma. Circle your lips. The sound is short. La, 2. Bay, ba is short. For fatha, open your jaws, and there is nabar. We are applying nabar when we are attaching ba with ya, because whenever waw and ya are with tashdid, we apply nabar on both of them. And what is nabar? Nabar is the jump of sound. Bay, yi, for kasra, give e sound. Nun, circle your lips for dhamma, attached with noon will get sifa of gunna, and that is akmal gunna. So give a nice long time here. Nun, fatha is short. Na, hu, it is 2 counts long, and circle your lips for dhamma. Lean, for kasra, give e sound, attached with noon will get sifa of gunna, akmal gunna. So give nice sound here. Lean, this is gunna, and na, it is 2 counts long, mad. Si, for kasra, give e sound. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. La, 2 counts long. Tak, ta is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with kaf. Kaf will get hums, and hums is a flow of breath. On fa, kaf, and ta. Fa, kaf, and ta are the letters where you will apply a nice hums. فحسه شخص sakat are the letters where, on which we apply hums, but these 3 letters are very important, so you shouldn't miss. Tak, whenever these are with sukoon. Fa is whenever you find fa, there is always hums, but for kaf and ta, whenever you find them in sukoon, halat sukoon, then you are giving hums. Tak, 2 for the circle your lips. The sound is very sharp. Moo, 2 counts long, and circle your lips for dhamma. Na, short. Who, 2 counts long. Fa, give hums. Look here, the letter hums is fa is here, but the fa has exceptional position. Like it has hums whenever you find it in any condition. But kaf and ta, when they are with sukoon, then you are applying hums, but not when they are mutaharika. When they have, don't apply hums when they have fatha, the markers round top. F, na is short, b short, dhu for the circular lips, and attach right makhraj of dal and make it 2 counts long. Hu short for the circular lips, wa for wow circular lips. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Wa, ro, 4 counts long. Ah, this is mad muttasil wajib. Ra is 4 counts long, and then don't drop this sound because of this mad. So make it very clear that there is hamza. Ra, hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Lu for the circle your lips. Dha is heavy and sound is very short. Hu, hu, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Hu, ri for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. Him, wash for wow circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws attached with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rahawa. Tafashi. And the sound should flow very nicely. Wash, wash. Ta is very sharp. For fatha, upon your jaws, the sound is short. The sharp means the sound is there, and then the makhraj cuts away the flow of sound. The flow of sound cuts away. This is called shadid letter. So ta is shadid here. Ta, raw, make it 2 counts long because this is harfleen. Raw is heavy. Whenever raw is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. So make it heavy and make it 2 counts long. Raw, di for kasra give e sound. He 2 counts long. Tha for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. And makhraj of tha is when you are touching your tip of your tongue to the frontal to the edge of the frontal tooth. Tha, ma short. Nang. And this is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. So, nang, how you will create a heavy ikhfa? By lifting your tongue up. Nang. And then qa is very short. Li, 2 counts long. And when we are stopping, we are making it mad arid lisakun. So we are this is mad awad. Mad awad is when we are exchanging the sound of tanween into long mad letter. So we are exchanging. So this is called mad awad. It will be 2 counts long. Qalila, fa for fa give hams, for fatha open your jaws. Bi for kasra give e sound attached with hamza. Hamza will cut off the sound right away. So this is a shadid letter. Bi, sa for fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. Ma 2 counts long. Yesh, sheen will get raqawa. Tafashi. Yesh, ta is very sharp letter. The moment it pronounces, the sound cuts away. Ta, no flow of sound at all. Make it 2 counts, 4 counts long. Because we are giving temporary sukoon on noon, and it will give sifa of tawassut here. And it will change the 2 counts long vowel, which was this raw and wow. It was 2 counts long, but we changed it into 4 because this temporary sukoon changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4. Yashtarun, la 2 counts long. Tah, for ta, no flow of sound. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Ha will get rakhawa. Tah, sa, and ha is light. Sa, give this safir here. Sa, for before fatha, this sound should be very clear. This Safir sound. Safir is a whistle. S, ban. Ba is very sharp. Fatha open your jaws and attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. Banal. Nal. Fatha, for fatha open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Nal. For fatha open your the 2 counts long. Na short. Yaf. Ya is very light. You're lifting your tongue up, but you're not touching with the palate. It's a iya sound. Iya. Yaf. Give hums on. Fa. Yaf. Ro. Ro is heavy for fatha open jaws. Hu. 2 counts long. Na short. V for kasra give e sound. Ma 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws. Taw. Here we are applying nabar. This ta is attached here on this wa, and nabar is the jump of sound. Taw. Taw. Wa. And then wow is short. You for the circle your lips. Hib for kasra give e sound attached with ba. Very sharp sound. Hib. Boo. Boo. Circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Na short. Hamza is very sharp, and this is idgham with gunna, so you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time because idgham gets akmal gunna. You for the circle your lips attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and ha is light. You ma is short. Do 2 counts long, circle your lips. B for kasra give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Lam for fatha open your jaws attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. Lam. Yaf. Ya is light. For fatha open your jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of hums. Yaf and raqawa. So give very nice hums here. Yaf. Ain from your throat for fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. Lu. Circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Fa. For fatha open your jaws. La. 2 counts long. Give hums on fa. Fa. La. Ta. Ta is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa, and it is light. Ta. Sa. Give this safir before this fatha. Sa. Da. Sa. Ban for fatha open your jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna. Ban na, but fatha is short. Hum. Ikhfa shafawi. You are hiding the sound of meme. Hum. B for kasra give e sound. Ma short. Fa give hums and make it 2 counts long. Fa. The is short. Team for kasra give e sound attached with meme. This is idgham with gunna. Team. Me for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha open your jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Nal. Ain from your throat. Fatha is very short. The. We are giving temporary sukoon on ba because of the waqf. This temporary sukoon converted this 2 counts long vowel here into 4 counts. And then ba will get sifa of qalqala because it is getting sukoon. Min al-adab. Wa for wow, circle your lips for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. La for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Hum for dhamma, circle your lips attached with me. Me will get sifa of tawassut. Ain from your throat for fatha open your jaw. The 2 counts long. Bun idhar with sifa of tawassut. The ruling is idhar, but sifa is tawassut. Adabun a. Hamza is very sharp. Lim. Giving temporary sukoon because of the waqf, and this temporary sukoon change this 2 long vowel into 4. So this is mad arid li sukoon, and we are giving tawassul on meme because of this sukoon. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your lil. For kasra, give e sound. And lafz jalala is light here because lafz jalala is light here because there is kasra before it. Wa lil la. It is always long. La he is short. Mul for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mul kus for circle. For the circle ellipse attached with seen. As soon you will touch seen, your lips should be in a straight position, and there should be a rokhawa, safir, and it is light. Kus, and then fatha is very short. Sa ma, 2 counts long. Wa, circle your lips to say wow and make it 2 counts long. T for kasra, give e sound. Well for wow, circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hamza is very sharp for fatha on jaws and attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut. And ra will be heavy because there is fatha before the sakin ra. So and dot we will get sukoon and it will get rakhawa because we are giving sukoon on dot. Wal after giving tawassut on ra, you are creating rakhawa on dot. Wallahu for wow, circle your lips, fatha, open your jaws, attached with lam. Lam will get lam will be heavy and there will be tawassuts. Well, and then it is 2 counts long. Wallahu for the circle your lips. Ain from your throat for fatha, open your jaws. La 2 counts long. Kul for the circle your lips, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa off. Tawassut. Kul. You're circling lips here, but not on lam because you will straighten your lips when you will touch lam. Kul. And then kasra with kasra, lam is very light and short. Li. Shay. Make it 2 counts long because this is harf leen. In ikhfa, and that is heavy ikhfa. In, keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because the gunna is akmal. In qa is heavy, the sound is short. These this is temporary sukoon which has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. And then we are giving tawassut on ra because ra is with sukoon now. Qadir. In Hamza is very sharp for fatha, for kasra give e sound and attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna. Give a very good time here. In for fatha is short. Na fi give hams and make it 2 counts long. Khol kha is heavy for fatha. Open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Khol qis qaf is heavy for kasra give e sound attached with seen. Seen will get rakhawa and seen will get the safir and make it light. Qissa, fatha is short. Ma 2 counts long. Wa 2 counts long. Ti for kasra give e sound. Well for wow, circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well Hamza is very sharp for fatha, open your jaws, attached with ra will get sifa of rakhawa and ra will be heavy. Di for kasra give e sound, it is heavy. Wa for wow, circle your lips, fatha, open your jaws, attached with kha will get sifa of rakhawa and it is heavy. Wa T for kasra give e sound, the sound is very sharp. There is no flow of sound at all. T La 2 counts long. Feel for kasra give e sound, hams and attach with lam. And lam will get sifa of tawassut. Feel lay 2 counts long because this is harf leen. Li for kasra give e sound. One for fatha for wow, circle lips. For fatha open your jaws, attach noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna. One fatha is short. Na Ha, 2 counts long. Ri, ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Ri, la, short. Hamza is very sharp and make it 2 counts long. Ya, keep it light and soft and make it 2 counts long. Ya, til, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut here. Il, li, for kasra give e sound. U, is very sharp and it is short. It is not attached with wow. And because wow has, can you see this little zero? We will discuss it later, but right now you are not using it. U, lil, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lil, al, hamza is very sharp for fatha when you jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Al, bab. Again, we are giving temporary sukoon at the last, and that is harf ba, and it is changing the 2 counts long vowel before it into 4 counts long, and we are giving qalqala on ba. Bab. Okay, so we are reciting it. وَإِذْ أَخَذَ اللَّهُ ميثاق الذين أوتوا الكتاب لتبيننه للناس ولا تكتمونه فنبذوا وراء ظهورهم واشتروا به ثمنا قليلا فبئس ما يشترون. لا تحسبن الذين يفرحون بما أتوا ويحبون أن يحمدوا بما لم يفعلوا فلا تحسبنهم بمفازة من العذاب ولهم عذاب أليم. ولله ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء قدير. إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار لآيات لأولي الألباب. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.